Here in the soft skills page, we'll pick the personality qualities we think are best suited for the role we are posting. You know, every company has its own work culture and want to know what kind of workers they're going to get. Let's assume our company is a very lively environment, and given that this position is for an intern, let's pick qualities we think are best suited for that sort of a position. Okay. The work responsibilities section. We'll continue our narrowing process while keeping in mind that these skills have been filtered to a structural engineering position, and that really what we're looking for in this posting is an intern. Leadership qualities. Very few of the people you meet in life are going to be a future Jack Welch or Bill Gates, but sometimes you want to know whether a candidate is going to have some leadership qualities. Finally, language. In the language section, we can choose the language we want our candidates to be proficient in and specify the degree of understanding we require in reading, listening, speaking, writing, and pronunciation. If applicable, we can add more than one language. Let's just keep it simple and make it English for now, and say that we're looking for someone with conversational abilities. When this screen comes up, click on the Start Matching button. It should take about 5 to 6 minutes to generate a matching list. Let's wait for that magic to happen. It's important to remind you that Engineers360 utilizes cutting-edge techniques to match the skills you desire in applicants with thousands of job searchers already in our system. By allowing you, the employer, to filter out unwanted skills and tailored resumes, this tool saves you time and money. The results of all our efforts with Engineers360 has finally arrived, and it's this page, the Matching and Gap Analysis page. From what we can see, at the top of the page is a summary of the information we put in, while here at the bottom we have all our results. The candidates have been listed in descending order, according to how closely they matched our profile. So essentially what we're supposed to be seeing here are the candidates' names and contact info, blanked out for privacy reasons of course, their years of experience in engineering, their skills matching score, which assesses how closely they matched our job posting, their profile, and their gap analyzer. Let's quickly take a look at their profile. So, what do we got here? What we're looking at is a more in-depth look at who this candidate is, their educational background, their work experience, etc., etc. Now, an HR personnel is likely to see this without going through the steps of the Engineers360 process. But that's assuming the candidate knows about the job posting and that the HR consultant is able to pick out that application out of hundreds of others. Now, I don't know about you, but those seem like pretty big assumptions. From the matching score, you know how closely the applicant fits your position. This is cutting-edge technology easing your workload. But what if you wanted to know what that candidate was missing? What if there was a tool that could show you just that? Well, there is, and it's called the Gap Analyze function. With the Gap Analyze function, you can see specifically where candidates mismatch certain skill sets, and then you can decide on potential investment and training, or you can decide to pass up on the candidate. Engineers360 is a cutting-edge, no-resume, no-scanning technology that filters and concentrates candidate search efforts undertaken by HR personnel. It's a revolutionizing skills-matching software for the engineering field that, if employed, would save time and money. What we saw today was a step-by-step process that thoroughly fleshed out an engineering position by first adding in a job profile, then the required work experience, the educational background, and finally the desired technical and interpersonal abilities. Engineers360 works, and you can make it work for you today. We hope you'll take this opportunity to get in touch with a job developer at info@engineers360.net. Contact us, and we'll see what engineer your future holds for you.